Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Deepika.
One, two, three, let's go!
This video is about Loyola College UG admissions. In this video, I will fill the application form step by step so that you guys don't make any mistakes. And also, I will tell you guys about the UG admission process, if it is entrance exam or merit based. And already I have made a video on Loyola College admission process. In that, I have covered more about admission process. But in this video, I will tell you guys the application form and mistakes which students make while filling the application form. So you guys can check out the admission process video. So without wasting any more time, let's just start the video and let's see how to fill the application form for UG programs. The admission process for Loyola College is completely online. So first is that you have to fill the application form. You will be selected by your 12th standard marks. The admission process is merit based except some courses. So the courses which have entrance exam are BSc Visual Communication, B Vocational Digital Journalism, BMM Multimedia and Animation, B Vocational courses, BCom Honors, BCom Accounting and Finance, and BCom Computer Applications. So for these courses, there will be entrance exam. So first step is that you have to apply for the program. If you are selected, then you have to proceed ahead with the further process like fee payment and enrollment. If you are applying to programs which have entrance exam, the college will release a selection list, and then the students who are selected, they have to go and appear for the entrance exam. So this is about the UG admissions. So now let's fill the application form. This is the Loyola College website, loyolacollege.edu.in. So if you scroll down, you can see the admissions 2024. In the bottom, you can see the online application portal. This is the Loyola College online application portal. So on the left hand side, you can see some instructions. So make sure that you guys go through it carefully. In the note, they have said that communication from college will be only sent to applicants' mobile number and email. Then they have mentioned the documents to be uploaded. So keep these documents handy. And at the end, they have mentioned the mode of the payment. So on the right hand side, you can see the login. For new applicant registration, click here to register. So this is the new applicant registration. So you have to select your application category UG or PG. Then you have to provide your details like name, date of birth, your mobile number, your parents' mobile number, and your email ID. So after filling these details, then you have to enter the CAPTCHA, and then you have to click on the register button. You will be receiving OTP on your mobile and on your email ID. You have to enter those OTPs and then you will be successfully registered. You will receive your user ID and password on your email. So enter your user ID and password and login. So this is the application form. So first will be your personal details. So like your name, gender, nationality, religion, your state. Then you have to upload your photo. So when you click on edit applicant's photo, then you can see that the file size should be less than or equal to 80 KB. So keep that in mind and upload a clear image. Then you have to tell about the community, caste, your mother tongue, blood group, nativity, Aadhaar card number, then your parents' detail. Next is your address, permanent address and communication address. Once you have filled all the details, then you have to click on save. Then the next is specific details like differently abled, special category, child of ex-serviceman or child of defense personnel. So these are the things which you need to fill. Once you have filled these, then you need to click on save and then you will be going to the educational details. So this is the educational qualifications. So you need to upload your 11th and 12th details here. So they are asking for 11th as well as 12th standard marks. And they have clearly mentioned that in note, kindly enter your marks carefully. If your entry is found to be wrong during the verification, then your application will be rejected. So make sure that you are filling these details very carefully. So first is your 11th detail. So like, have you cleared all the subject in 11th standard? Then have you received your 11th standard statement of marks with marks or grade? Your name of school, place of school, month or year of passing. Exam registration number is your roll number. Then your board of examination passed, your nature of course studied at 11th standard, journal stream or vocational stream. So you have to choose between these two. So after this, then you have to fill your marks. They have given the information that subject marks should include both theory and practical. Don't keep them separate. Give the total marks. There is like language 1, language 2, subject 1, subject 2, 3, 4 and so on. So if you select CBSE, your language 1 will be removed and only English will be there. Because in the CBSE, those are the subjects. But if you are from different board and you're for example, you have not studied 2 languages, you have studied only 1 language, that is English, then in the language 1, you can write like others, and then you can put like marks obtained 0 and maximum marks 0, so that it won't affect your total percentage as well. And then they will definitely check your documents. Once you've saved your 11th details, then the next is your 12th details. Same, like name of school, place of school, medium of instruction, then month and year of passing, and all that. And then at the end, you have to fill in your marks. Once you save that, then you will be directed to the documents. So now you need to upload all your documents, your 12th standard marks, 11th standard marks, and 10th standard marks as well. So once you have uploaded that, then you need to click on save, and then you need to select your courses. So as I selected my gender there as female, so I'm only able to see these courses. So women students are only eligible for these courses: BSc Advanced Zoology Biotechnology, Plant Biology, Plant Biotechnology, Visual Communication, 3D Animation, Digital Journalism, and in Shift 2, BA French, Visual Communication, and BMM Animation. So women students are only eligible for these courses. So here you can apply to both the shifts, and then you just have to click on the checkbox. So once you click on, for example, I've selected these two, then you can see the total amount, 300 for two. Then you need to I agree and apply. And they have given the note that once the application is generated, no further change will be permitted. Before you go to payment, make sure that you go back and check your application twice at least, so that you are not making any mistakes, because you cannot change your mistakes later on. Next, you will be seeing the application category, your academic year, applied, shift, and then your transition ID and the courses in which you are applying and the total amount. Next, you have to select the mode of payment, and then you have to make the application fee. Then that's it. That's how you have to apply, and you will be receiving email as well as SMS from college saying that you have applied successfully. So that's it, guys. That's how you have to fill the application form. If you have more doubts, then do comment down below, or you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.